So here's what I got. 2 brand new headlights for the old Ram. All right, so here's my old headlights. Now this left side isn't so bad. I think I tried cleaning them up once. 10 millimeter. It probably will just come off on you. If not, you might just have to pull it a little hard because this nub here is probably going to be stuck into this little clip. The nub should pop out. If it doesn't, you could probably squeeze the tabs and this will come out. I will be replacing this, so I'm going to get a screwdriver in there and squeeze the tabs from the inside and pull that out. The only thing that's left on this headlight is to unplug it. Here's our electrical connectors. Usually they just turn and come out. Turn, half turn, it'll get loose on you. To install, you're gonna just tighten it clockwise. See, now it's nice and tight. You turn it left, nice and loose, pulls right out. Try not to touch the bulb with your fingers, because any little bit of dirt, which it goes right to my finger, on your finger, those bulbs get hot. It's a quick way to burn them out. This one is a clip, little plastic tab. Get your WOUS. That stands for way oversized, unnecessary screwdriver. Stick it in the tab, pull it out, and break it. No, I'm just kidding. And that'll slide off for that bulb. Bottom bulb. Again, installs like a screw-ish. You just, boop, that's it. Try not to touch. Don't have the light at all. So essentially, I could cut a hole here and stick the bulb in there, but it would defeat the purpose because there's no lens, there's no signal light there. Just like they came out, stick them in. They'll go in flush, and then you just, that's it, plug is in. Main head bulb. Push, you'll hear a little click, and then just push the tab in, that's it. If you had the right headlight, you'd stick this in the hole, do the same thing, boop. We're gonna tie that off. All right, so other modification on this light. That mounting screw is fixed in there. So they give you where this would stick through the fender and you just put a nut on it. Look how crystal. See the difference? Can you see it now? Big difference. Big difference. Big difference. Even without the bottom light bar. We'll see what we can do about that later. Let's work on the other one. One more time before I lose enough memory card issue, but come on, man. So satisfying.